new YouTube channel. My name is Rashmita Mahesh Kumar Patgar. I am from India but I am living in Saudi Arabia. I am studying in 7th standard, Modern International School, Al-Hazza, Saudi Arabia. Nowadays, we are so bored because of Corona. There is no school, only online classes. During school days, we used to enjoy other activities like calligraphy writing, storytelling, fancy dress competition, and best out of waste, and also my favorite sports, etc. along with studies. Nowadays, we are missing all those fun and friends too. So I thought to make a new YouTube channel. My channel name is S.T.N. Food and Fun Center. In this channel, you will be watching some kids activities and my mom's cooking. Both are my sisters. I request please subscribe our channel, like and share. We need your support as well as blessings. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome to my first video. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and delicious dessert, custard halva. Let's start with the ingredients. Take an empty bowl, pour 1 cup of custard powder in it. For 1 cup of custard powder, we should take 1.5 glass of water. Mix it well with the help of spoon or whisk. And keep it aside. Take a non-stick pan, turn on the flame. Pour 2 cups of water in it. Let the water boil. Then add 1 cup of sugar in it. Stir it. Wait 5 minutes till the sugar completely liquefy in the water. The water is boiled and the sugar is completely liquefied. Then add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix it well till the foam appears. The foam has appeared, so remove it. Then add the custard mixture which we have kept aside. Stir it continuously till it becomes into a thick paste. Now it started to become thick. Now the mixture has turned into a thick paste. Now add half glass of milk. Mix it well. Then add cardamom powder. Then add butter. And mix it well. a mold. Grease some butter. Pour the mixture into the mold. Spread it evenly. Keep it in refrigerator for half an hour. Yummy! Our custard halwa is ready. Now it's time to transfer the halwa into the plate. Wow, it's easily falling. It's not even sticking. Now I'm going to cut it into square pieces. You can cut it in any shape and enjoy it. Wow, it's attractive. I'm eagerly waiting to eat this. You can also try this recipe and enjoy this dessert. Thank you for watching. I hope you all love this video and try it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye bye. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you.